Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Ever wanted to create awesome 3D pictures without spending a penny? Well, you're in luck. Cause today I'm gonna show you a step-by-step tutorial on creating stunning 3D AI images of trending profile glass ID card for free. So let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in Microsoft Image Creator. Click on the first link that you see. In the text box, type in the prompt that you have created. After you're done, tap on the Create button. Similarly, you can create even better images by simply editing the prompt. Then tap on the Create button once again. Now click on the image to preview it. Also, if you'd like to download these images, then tap on the 3 horizontal dots in the right hand side of your screen. Then tap on the download option. So that is how you can create 3D AI images for free. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.